So one of the types of selection that you can utilize is a free selection tool right here. So once you go around and select it, you can select the selection modes just like with any other selection and enable anti-aliasing and feather edges as well. And to utilize free selection, all you need to do is simply click and drag around and select something freely just like this, as you can see right here, and click on the end right here just like this to make a loop. So now if I were to press Ctrl C and Ctrl V right here, then you can see that this is the selection over here. What you can also do is you can go around and click to make a straight line over here. So that makes a polygonal like selection. But you can click and drag again to make a curve selection, a free selection. Then click on the end right here to create a loop. And then you have a selection right here just like this. And that is what you have. And that is how you can utilize the free selection tool inside of GIMP. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.